Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today I'm excited to walk you through our TipRanks Smart Portfolio. So let's take a look. When you head over to the TipRanks Smart Portfolio, it'll take you to this portfolio page. If it's your first time or you're wanting to add a new portfolio, head over to the top right here to Add Portfolio. Here you can manually add stocks, cryptos, or ETFs, pick from popular stocks or popular stock lists, or import your current portfolio from a long list of brokers. Once you've got your portfolio set up, you'll be able to see a ton of different data about it here on the portfolio page. That includes your total holdings in the currency of your choice, your daily return, 30-day return, and total return, as well as your daily top gainers and top losers. On the right, you can see how your portfolio has compared to the S&P 500, and down below, you'll see a complete list of all of the stocks in your portfolio. Now, there is a lot of different information that you can look at down below. There are some preset tabs here with the overview page, as well as TipRanks Essentials showing you different data like the price target upside, analyst consensus, and investor sentiment. Your holdings here showing your position in each of the companies and how it's performed. The performance tab, which will show the performance over a variety of time periods. Any dividend data for your stocks, upcoming earnings and those results, plus technicals. Under the Customs tab, there are a lot of different columns you can select from. You can choose from TipRanks Essentials, different holdings data, financial ratios, performance, and more. There is a long list to sort by here. And up on the top right, you can reorder the columns in the order that you'd like to see them as well. If we click on these arrow buttons over here, it'll expand the view to a nice, clean, wider view where you can scroll through all of the metrics. On the left here, we can also look at the charts for all of the holdings within your portfolio and also check out a heat map. Once a stock has been added to your portfolio, you can easily access a detailed stock tab from this portfolio page as well. Simply click on the stock from your list of holdings here to open up that detailed stock page. Up at the top, you'll see a chart, and down below, a lot of key metrics, including statistics and different financial data on the company. Up at the top here with the statistics, you can also enter your number of shares, including fractional shares, and your average purchase price. You can even add notes on your investment. On the right, we have our transactions, including reported by me and recorded by TipRanks. In this first section, you can put any transaction made on the stock, including the date and purchase price. You can input the amount of shares, and both buy and sell transactions will be reflected in the chart up above. The second section here, recorded by TipRanks, is for transactions validated by TipRanks. So this is based on when you actually added the stock to your TipRanks Smart Portfolio and that end of day price. This is the data that will be used to measure the portfolio's performance over in the Performance tab. If you're wanting to sell your entire position, you can do so simply with the delete button here up in the top right. Scrolling further down the portfolio page, there's another section here where you can add holdings to your portfolio as well up here in the top right. And if we go further down, you're also going to see all news related to the stocks within your holdings, plus upcoming events such as ex-dividend dates and earning releases. Heading over to the Charts tab, we can see how the stocks within the portfolio have been performing. This will bring you to our technical chart feature where you can look at any stock from within your portfolio. You can look at different studies and indicators here on the left-hand menu, compare it to other stocks, and even look at different events such as earning dates. Now we have the typical line charts, but other popular options like the candlestick features as well, and drawing options if you're wanting to add any lines to the chart here too. You can also take a look at a lot of different insights via the Analysis tab. This will show you different breakdowns of your portfolio, including your asset allocations between stocks, ETFs, and cash, your top stocks, and geo allocation. You can also check out your holdings distribution by sector, market cap, dividend, beta, and PE ratio. Down below, it'll give you further insights such as your portfolio volatility and your beta compared to the average portfolio. On the right, we have our portfolio's PE ratio and how that stacks up against the average as well. Here you can see details on your portfolio's dividends, including your top dividend stocks, estimated dividend yield, and estimated annual dividend payments. Moving down to the Performance tab, you can see how your portfolio is doing compared to the overall market, plus other smart portfolio investors. This is also where the reported by me versus recorded by TipRanks will come into play. Here you can see the overall performance and how you stack up against other TipRanks users, the S&P 500, and how your own portfolio has been comparing month over month. On the left, you can see your average success rate and average return, and other details such as your portfolio gain and most profitable trade. If you want to make your portfolio public, you can do so by heading over to Public Portfolio. to make a public profile and even input some information about yourself before hitting Go Public. With the Smart Portfolio, you can also take advantage of crowd insights and see a detailed breakdown of how your portfolio compares to other investors. Here you'll see a list with your top holdings in your portfolio and how that compares to the average portfolio or top performing portfolios. On the right, you can also see recent trades, both added or removed by those investors as well. Down below, you'll see key statistics as far as how your dividend yield compares to the top performings, risk beta, and PE ratio. Further down, you can compare your asset allocation based on sector, assets, and market cap. And to make sure you stay on top of all of the events relevant to your portfolio holdings, we have My Calendar. This is a quick and easy place to get an overview on dates that'll be relevant to the holdings within your portfolio as far as earnings dates and ex-dividend dates go. You can scroll through month by month and see a list of the events on the right-hand side. In the far bottom left, you also have the option to set your default homepage to be the standard TipRanks homepage or to take you directly to your Smart Portfolio. So that is a quick look at the TipRanks Smart Portfolio. I hope this little tour helped. Please let us know any further questions that you might have. Happy investing!